Growing Echium Pininana, a gardener's guide. As an avid gardener with a penchant for exotic flora, I find myself constantly intrigued by the stunning beauty and unique characteristics of various plant species. Among my recent botanical fascinations is the majestic Echium Pininana, a towering biennial known for its striking appearance and ecological significance. In this guide, I'll delve into the intricacies of cultivating and nurturing this captivating plant, sharing insights on everything from seed sowing to care tips. What is Echium Pininana? Before delving into cultivation specifics, it's essential to understand what makes Echium Pininana such a coveted addition to any garden. Also known as the blue steeple tower of jewels, this species belongs to the Boraginaceae family and is native to the Canary Islands. Renowned for its towering stature, Echium Pininana can reach impressive heights of up to 3 meters or more, adorned with vibrant blue flowers that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. How to grow Echium Pininana? The process of growing Echium Pininana begins with selecting the ideal location for planting. This biennial thrives in well-draining soil with plenty of sunlight, making it ideal for Mediterranean climates. When preparing the soil, ensure it is loose and fertile, as Echium Pininana has a deep root system that benefits from ample nutrients. When it comes to sowing seeds, timing is crucial. Optimal sowing times vary depending on your climate, but generally, seeds can be sown in late summer or early autumn for flowering the following year. Scatter the seeds lightly on the soil's surface, pressing them gently into the earth without covering them entirely. Water the area thoroughly to settle the seeds and maintain consistent moisture levels during the germination period. As the seedlings emerge, thin them out to ensure proper spacing, allowing each plant ample room to grow to its full potential. Throughout the growing season, monitor moisture levels closely, watering the plants deeply during dry spells, and providing support as needed to prevent toppling in windy conditions. What do Echium Pininana seeds look like? Echium Pininana seeds are small, dark, and slightly curved in shape. They possess a glossy texture and are typically brown or black in color, with intricate markings that add to their visual appeal. When handling Echium Pininana seeds, it's essential to exercise care to avoid damaging their delicate outer coating, which protects them during germination. When to sow Echium Pininana seeds? The optimal time for sowing Echium Pininana seeds varies depending on your location and climate. In regions with mild winters, seeds can be sown in late summer or early autumn to take advantage of cooler temperatures and ample moisture. In colder climates, it may be preferable to sow seeds indoors several weeks before the last frost date, transplanting seedlings outdoors once the threat of frost has passed. How to care for Echium Pininana? Caring for Echium Pininana involves several key tasks to ensure the plant remains healthy and vibrant throughout its growth cycle. Regular watering is essential, particularly during periods of drought or intense heat, as Echium Pininana is susceptible to wilting in dry conditions. Additionally, applying a balanced fertilizer during the growing season can help promote robust growth and abundant flowering. Pruning is another aspect of Echium Pininana care, especially after the plant has finished flowering. Removing spent flower spikes not only tidies up the plant's appearance, but also encourages the development of new growth. However, it's important to exercise caution when pruning, as Echium Pininana's foliage and stems may cause skin irritation in some individuals. How to propagate Echium Pininana? Propagation of Echium Pininana can be achieved through both seeds and cuttings. Those seeds are the most common method. To propagate from seeds, simply collect mature seed heads once they have dried on the plant, then remove the seeds and sow them according to the guidelines outlined earlier in this guide. Alternatively, Echium Pininana can be propagated from stem cuttings taken during the plant's active growth period. Select healthy stems and cut them just below a leaf node. Then remove the lower leaves to expose the nodes. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone. Then plant the cutting in a well-draining potting mix and keep it consistently moist until roots develop. In conclusion, Echium Pininana is a remarkable plant species that captivates with its towering stature and vibrant blooms. By following the guidelines outlined in this guide, you can successfully grow and care for Echium Pininana in your own garden, adding a touch of exotic beauty to your outdoor space. Whether grown for its striking appearance or ecological benefits, this majestic biennial is sure to delight gardeners and nature enthusiasts alike.